with the my system. Honestly, I would say I'm just testing. What did you mean going live with just my phone? And I must confess, I'm stunned. Like I could really, like I could really do this without the need for fancy and expensive stuff. And when I'm live at any point, I could just adjust this. Can return this back. That makes sense. Honestly, never thought of this. Seriously. So we could get this well positioned like this. Last issue will be quality. Okay, so I want to believe my voice is clear enough, and to just get something to get is standing like this. I'm good to go live almost any day. Oh, that's great. But most people actually, you know, do something like this. I don't know. I don't know how convenient that is. But then I would like it to capture most of my screen. Yeah, something like this. So I could literally just move in, move out of this angle, you know. You can see around this trade already. And yeah, I could give this a try. I could give it a try. Awesome. That's awesome. So we could literally use this. Oh, that makes sense, man. That makes sense. Never thought of that. So thank you so much live. And I don't know, whoever is watching me, thank you. So this is me, you know, running some trades, trying my trading system. So this trade was actually entered on the 1 hour time frame. So this was the entry. And we are very close to one risk reward ratio, which is the initially first target. And we observe our strategy is profitable by 51% at TP. So we are working with a very profitable strategy here. As it applies, you could see it's written down profitable. We also have a sell trade here. Yeah, still a distance to TP1, but then it's moving. And also a buy trade here. This is moving very well. And this is AUD, excuse me, this is AUD NZD. Yeah, AUD NZD sprinting pretty well. Let's see. We check. I use paper trading because I'm live, and as you all know, when we are live, nothing here is a financial advice. Okay, let's just run through all the pairs I have on my watch list right now. So, starting from gold, gold gave a sell. Sell has already hit TP1, very close to TP2, but then this TP2 did not actually hit. So, we'll expand it this high so that we can see. TP2 is at 3509. On this very candle, the lowest is 3511. So, we couldn't hit TP2, missed TP2 by just um to 20 pips thereabout. Okay, this is a very nice signal on US 100 Nasdaq, NAS 100. So I'm going to be entering a buy. We are 52% profitable at TP1 for NAS. So I'll be entering NAS for a buy. Usually, the first target to break even is TP1 and 1 to 3 risk reward ratio for full TP. Alright, so I'll be risking 1% on my account as usual. Okay, so we are in. Since ready trade, we are in. Let's see how it will play out. We are still at the entry, so that's why I had to just give it a try. So we'll be losing $985. Now we'll be making 3,057 if we are profitable. US started giving me some funds yesterday, so I hope Nasdaq can replicate that and give me some profits as well today. Okay, so let's go. The next is NZZ JPY, CAD JPY. CAD JPY gave a sell already at TP1, so I already missed this. This entry was called yesterday, yesterday by 1601. So I missed that. So let's go. Let's check. Just looking for any trade that you can get in right now. No trades yet, so no trades on this. Okay, we are running on this too already. So let's go for card CHF. This is card CHF. No trades. No trade also for Euro GBP. Alright, let's check Euro JPY. Euro JPY. I was expecting a buy yesterday, but then we got a high sell here yesterday. And this is it, transparent as possible. So after that SL, I should probably just if I had taken my time to check around 1500, which is going to be around 3 p.m., I would have been good. Well, thank you for the view. Okay, so this is Euro JPY sell. It's already running. It's already TP1, which means my loss for yesterday would have been recovered if I was active, but I wasn't active. So that is that on that. Let's check Euro USD. So Euro USD, Euro USD. Let's see. Euro USD is already running on a buy trade. It has hit TP1 here, which would have been a very clean, trade. But then, I feel like the fact that it has hit TP1, there is still a possibility of Euro USD coming this high. The possibility is slim though, because it has tested here, it has broken over here, gathered some liquidity, possible sales, but TP1 has been guaranteed here, so there is nothing to do no more. GBP card, no trade. Moreover, GBP card is not profitable for us, so we are not taking GBP card. GBP CHL. GBP CHL is in a short trade. I'll manage. Oh, and I'm not taking this because the trade was forced by this very long candle. So even though it's a little bit profitable at 50.8% over 452 trades, but I will not be taking GBP CHF until the market balances on the H1 time frame, to be more precise. If I will go to the 15 minutes time frame, it would have been a different scenario. Yeah, like this. It's or the 5 minutes time frame. I usually like to trade just the 1 hour and the 5 minutes time frame so that I get in, make what I want to make, and get out as soon as possible. It's as simple as that. So I would have been very profitable if I was on 5 minutes time frame with GBP CHF. But right now, I just maintain the 1 hour time frame for. I have very busy schedules lately, but consecutively I should be coming online, and probably streaming for 5 minutes time frame if I have time, like an hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. We just scan through the markets at every 5 minutes, see trades we could probably take together, and see how we can make some money together. Remember, nothing is a financial advice. So US 30, yesterday I made some money on US 30 5 minutes time frame. Let me show you because I was online as at the moment. So where are you? So this was the trade, US 30. Yeah, this is US 30 trade I took yesterday. So this was the US 30 trade I took yesterday. Um, straight up, straight up profit from here to here, straight up profit. So uh, and after that I stopped trading for yesterday. So but then I didn't gain. I continued trading. I could have gotten this sell, this other sell like this. It's been a lot of profits with up to three TP, TP2 here, TP3 here, TP3 here. Then I had some SLs and some TPs here. But then if I am to, count within that yesterday, I stopped trading. This is 3R, 5R. This is also TP3. That's 8R. That's 11R. This is SL1. So we are back at 10R, back to 11R, um, back to 10R, 9R, 8R. Then this is back to 10R. Okay. That's because we are back at TP2 here, covers two of these losses. So we are back at 10R, then 10 minus 3, 7R overall. So if I traded, like stayed online all through, trade everything. Of course, I wouldn't be trading everything. For instance, this is a gap here. I wouldn't be trading this because the market is obviously at the rollover period here. So I wouldn't be trading this as at the moment. So this SL wouldn't be there. Then I'll probably consider starting from here, which is at 2 a.m. Nigerian time. So I wouldn't be trading 2 a.m. Nigerian time either way. And that's just it. That's just it. All right. So let's get back to our analysis, each one. So USD card, USD card. Do we have an entry on USD card? Yeah, we're in a long trade on USD card, but we're already at TP2, and I missed this. It's a painful miss because I was not online. But it's good. It's good. It's all well and good. But even if I was online, I wouldn't take because obviously, um, USD card is not profitable for us that well, you know. Now USD CHF. All right. So when I see stuff like this is uh the market telling me there's a possibility of an entry, and the entry is going to be a sell entry from what I can see so far. So right now I'm not going to enter here. I need to wait till the candle closes, which is going to close in like 1 hour's time. So we can literally come back to this one after 1 hour. Then we would confirm what the market is going to give us. But then I'm still not going to trade it. It's 45%. It's moderate. It's not profitable. So I just take the profitable trades alone. Something like something like this. Yeah, this is profitable. 54%. So there was a sell here, and this SL has not hit. If the SL has hit, I will be out of trade. So it have told me out of trade, but still in short trade. But I wouldn't be taking this because we already hit TP1. So which means our risk is supposed to be off on this. That's already been calculated. So and there's been a barrage of SLs around here. But then complemented by multiple TPs. So you observe that at the point where the market is not really sure of its direction just yet, that's where we get stuck in lots of SLs. But then when the direction gets clear, we get our TPs to rolling in back. So let's check crude oil. Crude oil is no trade on crude oil right now, so I'll just keep it. But it's very profitable at 56%. So which means 56% of our trade is TP1. And this is GBP JPY. GBP JPY gave me a sell yesterday, yeah, and I was caught on a sell there, yeah. So This time around, I'll be taking the buy because the buy is still around the entry. And let me expand this well. Let me expand this properly so that we can all see. So the buy is still around the entry for GBP JPY. And if you look at it, there is a massive candle here which is yet to be filled. The fair value gap around here is yet to be filled. So by the time we are filling this fair value gap, we should be very close to our TP3. So I'll be going on a buy trade here. I'll be going on a buy trade here. So that's going to be 1 to 3 risk reward as usual. And this is 3.1. 1 to 3 risk reward. So buy. Order field. So the buy entry is there. We'll watch it. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, the limit has been triggered in. We'll see how it goes. And then we'll come back for PPNZZ. No trade. No trade yet. Trades like these are very, very painful because it's just a whipsaw. Like, just take me out on a week and like take everybody out here, and then following our initial analysis for a buy straight to TP3, straight up to TP3. Very painful, but then it happens. Moreover, we just made some profit from this sell here, but then this is not a sell I'll take because I see that the sell was forced by the momentum of this candle, which happened September 2nd. So I wouldn't be taking the trade. So we just let it slide. Moreover, we are fairly profitable with CP1 at 50%. So like I said, I probably wouldn't be taking the trade. But then this is one I could take because I knew very well this has to be filled. This must be filled. But the fact that it took me out on SL before it goes to fill it is actually a little painful. I must be honest. It's actually a little painful. But then it's part of the business. So let's proceed. So that's GBP NZD. Now in GBP USD. So I think I don't know, for some reason I'm not on this trade yet. I think I missed the entry. I was not active when the entry is in, but it's currently at TP2. So TP2 is active already on this. So uh I guess we just slide on that one. Let it not slide. Go for the next one. Alright, let's check for the next one. Gold. Nice market gold. We've got TP3 here on gold. And gold is fairly profitable. I have a buy limit on gold. Buy limit on gold. It has to be on a lower time frame. Let me see. I have, oh, the buy limit did not trigger. Wow, I'm pained. I'm very pained, man. 1 to 2. But my buy limit did not get triggered here. Oh, seriously? My buy limit did not get triggered and it went straight to TP. So I'll be closing the limit. I'll delete the limit. I'll cancel the order. So was straight to 3 TP3. It's okay. It's fair. On M15 time frame, 51% profitable. Expecting the sell trade on gold. Okay. M15 is expecting the sell trade on gold. We are going to see within the next 10 minutes. Yeah, this candle is going to close in the next 10 minutes. So that 10 minutes is going to decide whether we are going to be selling or not. So once the signal is unclear like this, it's just like a preparation. So I've got like 10 minutes to watch this candle and see if we are going to be trading on it or not. So that's that on that. M30 30 minutes time frame has a buy signal, and it's actually been profitable with 52% of 354 trades being profitable. So I don't know. I wouldn't be taking the trade though because I'm actually trading majorly H1 and M5. So H1 there's no trade on H1 right now. So and M5 is not that profitable right now, so I'll just leave gold. Though M30, that's the 30 minutes time frame, is showing me a lot of because if I'm to check it out, you observe that most of the TPs are like TP3, 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 TP1. So the TPs are actually covering for the SL. So let's count from here: 1, 4, 4R, back to 3 hour, back to 6 hour, six, back to 3 hour. The whole 3 years cleared out. 6 hour, 4 hour, 7 hour, 10 hour. Like that's like 10 rewards. If I'm just risking 1% per trade, that's like I would have made like 10% back, you know, on each of them. That's like 10 times what I'm risking would have been my profit. So it is what it is here, but I wouldn't be taking this one. I'm expecting this one to hit a sell as a matter of fact because M15 is gearing me up for a sell. So I'm more um, looking at the action, price action. Of course, we know that gold is being bullish right now, but then for every bullish move, there has to be some corrections. Okay, there has to be some correction. So I'll just chill out on gold for now. Last but not the least, I would say my favorite pair, Euro SGD, Singaporean dollar, and even though it's profitable, wait, okay, on the H1, I knew something was wrong there. On the H1, we are currently on a trade and it's currently at TP2, and the trade is still expected to push up. So, and on the 5 minutes time frame, 59% profitable, which is very good. 59% profitable, which is very good. Over 196 trades, which means over around 100 of those trades are profitable trades. So we're just going to wait. No trades yet. We are not in trades. So the statistics says not in trade. We're just going to wait that out. So those are actually the pairs on my watch list. For everyone watching me live, I appreciate you coming to the live. If you have a pair in mind you just want us to look through using the Tsts trading system, I'll be willing to show you some of what the statistics of USGD says. It says we are total trade is 196. Trying to get the focus of the camera better. So total trade is 196. Long trade is 99. Short trade is this. So we are TP1 is at 59%. TP2 is at 38%. TP3 is at 30%. So overall, the strategy is profitable, and that's on the M5 time frame. On the H1 time frame, I think it's 53% profitable on the H1 time frame. So that's that on that one. Okay, so let's just check the win rate of majority of this pair on each one. Let's check some crypto pairs as well. So this is going to be Cardano. Cardano is 53% profitable on the H1 time frame. Over 219 trades. You can see how Cardano has gone to its TP2 on this particular entry here. Gone to its TP2 on this particular entry, and then we have TP3 here, another TP3 here. So Cardano is fairly profitable using the system here. Fairly profitable using the system. You could see massive entries, massive profits. I wouldn't take these. Yeah, I'm a very honest trader. I just tell you how it is. I wouldn't take some trades, and I would take some trades. But then the system does not care what you take or what you not take. The system tells you what it sees and what it doesn't see. That's as simple as that. So this is AUD USD. Sorry, I want to check on crypto pairs alone. So this is not profitable. You can see it says that the strategy is not profitable here. So you can see trade statistics. You can see over 261 trades. We are losing 51% of the trades, so we are not profitable here. And for that reason, we would not trade Axie Infinity. That is AXS Axie Infinity. We are not trading that. So let's check for other pairs. BNB. BNB is profitable at 50.9%, which is fairly profitable. And BNB is currently in a short trade. Since the market volatility is very low, statistics are down here. So we are currently in a short trade. Market volatility is low and we're in a downtrend on BNB. So, and one thing I've observed about crypto pairs is that on the lower time frame, most of them are usually very good. Look at it. Look at BNB. BNB is like on TP2 on the lower time frame. which is like M5 time frame, and is at 50% profitable. So the profitability increases. Even Axie Infinity that I just dropped and said I wouldn't be trading. See, Axie is 52% profitable. This is Axie Infinity, 52% profitable, and you can see how much or how well the trades are moving. Three losses here, two TP covering almost all, another TP2 here concurrently. So covering all of this and this. So TP2, TP3, that's 5 hour, back to 3 hour, 4 hour, there's 7 hour. So within just that space, we've had like 7 risk reward. So we've checked on BNB. We've found out that BNB is 58% profitable on the 5 minutes time frame, but let's maintain our 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is our 1 hour time frame, and BNB is still 50% profitable. Let's check king of the crypto, BTC. BTC is 51% profitable. So and you can see the move, the uptrend. You can see the start says market trend is uptrend, but market volatility is very low right now. It's low right now. We are still in a long trade, so we're expecting our TP3 would have been at 113,048. But for now, we're just gonna chill. Let's check BTC on M5. This is a 53% profitable on M5, and you can see how TP1, TP3, TP1, TP3, SL1, SL3, TP3 and everything are just going back and forth. So if you are a very good scalper, you will make a lot of money using this system. Just stick it to the 5 minutes time frame, and you know just pick a divine RR. If you decide to take the 1 to 3 or 1 to 2, but then whatever RR you took, you'll still be profitable according to the statistics we can see here. So let's check on LTC. This is LTC Litecoin. This is LTC Litecoin. I need to adjust the camera. Uh, so Litecoin is 51% profitable, over 228 trades, and there's a sell trade here. Probably wouldn't take it because I feel this RR is not 1 to 1, so I wouldn't take that trade. But then on the 1 hour time frame, it is, let's check the stats. It's not profitable on the 1 hour time frame, so LTC is out of it. We wouldn't be taking the trade, even though we are currently on the sell trade that is profitable. But then overall, over 270, over 247 trades, we are just 48.5% profitable. So let's check Solana. Solana. All right, Solana has given us a sell trade, which is currently running, and that it's our TP1, and Solana is doing very well at 56% on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see on the 1 hour time frame, 56%. So if we move Solana to the next time frame, let us see let us see what it's going to give us. Solana is not profitable on the 5 minutes, but Solana is profitable in between. I knew Solana is profitable in between, so I think that's on the 15 or M30. But then on the H1, Solana is very profitable in H1. So H1, it is 56% profitability on H1, and with a sell trade that is still running. You know, trades like these are very close to TP3, but then statistics don't lie. It's not there. It's not there. Okay, so let's check on what else? Other crypto. Let's check XRP. XRP is 55% profitable on a long trade at TP2 on the H1 time frame. So on the M5, 50% profitable. Fair enough. On the M15, 54% profitable. Not bad. And on the M30, 52% profitable. Not bad as well. No, but so let's maintain our H1, which we are using not H4, H1 please. So H1 is 55% profitable, which means we would have won 55% of all this trade, and then another 41% to TP2 and 30% to TP3, which means it's very profitable using the system. Now I could customize this better, customize the system better to give me more higher win rates using different strategy. This is one out of our what's it called? Out of the 3 strategies we use. So this is our strategy selector. So we could literally just use re-entry. Let's see the statistics of the re-entry. So re-entry is going to give us 89 trades so far. So re-entry is more like a more conservative strategy. So it's not as aggressive as the confirmation. All right. So it means it allows market play out to a point before it confirms and then moves, takes trades in that direction. Also, we have our market structure um, system. That's would have been 56 trades, with 53 of them more profitable. So, and TP2 is at 50%. So you could tell that 40 trades are going straight to TP2, which makes the system super super profitable, super profitable. So it is what it is on that. It is what it is. Like you can easily see TP3, 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 TP3. Like they just keep coming. They just keep coming. Sell TP3, TP3. Like they just keep coming back and forth. Yeah, SLs are going to be there. I don't sugarcoat things. SLs are going to be there. So someone says, how can we get the indicator you are using? I actually don't plan selling it. I don't plan selling the system. It's more or less like something I can use to call a signal. I have a Telegram channel you can join, where you can just get the signals for free for now, at least. So I don't plan selling it. So that's the use of market structure. So let's get back to our initial stuff, which is the confirmation. And the confirmation just gives you lots of signals, lots of profitable signals to be precise. And you can see by the statistics here, TP3 here, TP3 here, 331. So if I'm just to count from, let's say, the beginning of this month, all right, let's start from the beginning of this month, which is here. Okay, this is where the month started. All right, here. So I wouldn't be counting this because history was already running. So started the month with a first stop loss, then TP2, so that gives us 1 hour, another stop loss, then TP2 that gives us 2 hours. So it shows that so far this month on the 1 hour time frame, we are currently in profit of 2 hours. It means we are risking $1,000 per trade, and you've taken the one, the two, and the four trades for this month. It means you would be in $2,000 profit right now. Okay, so that's on that. Then the 5 minutes time frame, let me see, XRP 50% profitable on the 5 minutes time frame. So it means half of all the trades it's TP1. Then TP2 and TP3 are actually the profits actually counts, because I feel like TP1 is to break even. Yeah, you can see here the strategy, it says strategy quality profitable 50% BE. You understand? That means at 50% if we are break even all trades, after you hit TP1 you'll be profitable. But then when you now allow the trades to move to your TP3 and TP2, you'll be much more profitable. For instance, if I zoom out, if I zoom out, excuse me, okay, let's get the focus. So if I zoom out and we go to something like this, you can see our entry was here, TP1 was here, TP2 was here, TP3 was here, and you observe that we did not get back to our entry. We did not touch the entry back after we hit TP1. So there are incidences like that where the trade just goes straight to your TP3, so it doesn't touch your TP1 back. I think the same thing happened here. Let me see. Yeah, the sell signal was here, TP1 was here, did not touch the entry back, went to TP2, went to TP3. So it happens most of the time. See the entry here, this is the stop loss, this is the entry, TP1, TP2, TP3, straight down. So some trades are just going to go straight down to your TPs. You understand? So okay, so I'm always not bothered about the number of SLs I see, because most of these trades are hitting TP3. So if I have three SLs here, this single trade has covered for all the three SLs behind. That is three SLs here. Let me bring that to screen. Three SLs here. Then I have one TP3 here, covered everything. Another 3SL here, another TP3 covered. Then one SL TP3 covered, all these SL here. TP2 here has covered this with another 1 hour. I have another TP3 here that has covered this. So I'm currently at 2 hours, I'm still at 2 hour profitability. So the SLs might be much in sight, but then statistics don't lie. So statistics tells us that the system is profitable, and it is. So that's on XRP. So let's check Ethereum. Ethereum is 54% profitable on at TP1, excuse me, on the 1 hour time frame. no trade right now on Ethereum. So, and let's check the 5 minutes time frame, which is probably going to be the last we check for the day. 5 minutes time frame is at 52% profitable. So it's still a very profitable system here on the 5 minutes time frame. And you can see we've got a TP1, TP3 here, TP2 here, the multiple SLs in between, and TP1 multiple SLs in between, TP3, and it comes like that, SLs and TPs and SLs and TPs. So I just love to keep everything real because I know many traders would probably just want to show you the profitable ones. For instance, look at EURSGD 5 minutes time frame. The system tells me that it is not profitable. You can see the red down here and the orange down here rather. So if it were profitable on another time frame, it would be green. For instance, on the H1 time frame, let me see. This is Oanda. Sorry, Oanda does not give me the kind of data feed I like. So I prefer to use IC Market. IC Market gives me data feed that I want. So this you can see down here, it's profitable. So that's going to be all about this live section. Let's once again let's check our running trades. We have trades running at $1,000 unrealized, around $1,000 unrealized profit. And please, nothing here is financial advice. If the trades running NZZ card, AUD NZC, AUD card, then we have Euro GBP JPY and NAS 100. Let me see what NAS 100 is giving me. Come on, man. Come on, man. This is what NAS 100 is giving me. NAS 100 is, I'm expecting my entry here to get to TP1 at least for a start, but not yet. So we're just going to wait for NAS 100 and GBP JPY as well. GBP JPY, yeah, it's 1 hour time frame, so it's going to take a while before the trades materialize, which could be up to 24 hours at times. So let's just see how it goes, and I'll give you feedback on the trades probably in another section. So thank you for joining, everyone. I'm very grateful. Thank you for joining, and that'll be end of the section.